How to fix Snapchat failed to send. Hello guys, so in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat failed to send easily and fast. First thing, open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager, on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you have to do is scroll and scroll and scroll until you find the Snapchat app. When you find the Snapchat app, now all what you want to do is very easy and simple. Just click on this force stop here and then go to the storage. It will start computing as you can see, and then click on clear data like this and click on delete. When you click on delete, all the data is gonna be deleted as you can see. Go back, and now all what you want to do is go to the settings on your phone. Go to the wireless and networks. Enable the airplane mode and disable it. Don't forget to like and subscribe.